अपने आप को खुश करना बहुत ज़रूरी है गाइस। वाली हूँ मैं स्ट्रेट टू सेफोरा, नथिंग एल्स। Hamza has to help me with the jacket. Randomly parking lot में
भाई आयशा ने फाइनली मुझे कोई ट्रीट दिया यार।
क्या क्लोज कर रहे हैं यार। We are nice people. See कितना प्यारा सन है।
भाई यहाँ पे देखा मेकअप अच्छा लग रहा है, so I really want like a few good pics.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Aisha and I'm back with another Eid vlog. It's Eid day 2 and guess what I'm doing today? So my plan was कि day 1 पे Eid लेके day 2 पे I'll go to Sephora and buy something. So that's what I'm gonna do. I've been planning on getting something, so I've been eyeing it for a while and now is the time to go grab it. I wanted to reward myself, so I was like Eid से ले लेती हूँ, it feels better. So I especially waited for Eid and then I'm not gonna spend everything, but like I'm gonna spend something and buy myself something. So at least like अच्छी vibe आए। अपने आप को खुश करना बहुत ज़रूरी है guys, कुछ ना कुछ किया करें अपने लिए ताकि आप खुश हो सकें। So this is something I'm doing to make myself happy. And सबसे पहले तो आपको पता है मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ। Anyone who watches my vlog must know कि मैं normally निकलती हूँ तो कॉफ़ी ले लेती हूँ। So that's what I'm doing first. I'm gonna grab myself some nice coffee and then I'll be on my way. मैं सोच रही हूँ कि मैं Southgate Mall वाले Sephora पे जाऊँ. I like it better. And also Hamza has some work in IKEA, so we'll go there. After we are done with this, we'll have enough time. I do want to dress up, nice Desi outfit. Plan is to dress up in my pretty outfit and then I'll take some pictures and I'm gonna make some dessert that everyone loves here. So it's gonna be a nice day. I really want to celebrate all 3 days of Eid, so let's carry that on. Let's carry this energy on. Eid day 2 पहले enjoy करते हैं, then day 3. Let's go. So we are here and of course drive through में गाड़ी ना वैसे कैसे हो सकता है, so there's always a line. Guys, I have to say the weather has been so nice. Like I'm so looking forward to summer now because weather has been really nice. How I was hoping कि ईद पे weather अच्छा हो, ईद पे really weather अच्छा है। कल it was very pleasant and sunny और sun की वजह से pictures इतनी अच्छी आ गई। मेरा plan है कि I have to take pictures in daylight as much as I can क्योंकि आजकल sun निकल रहा है। It feels like a major change रमदान के बाद a random time पे या lunch dinner time पे खाना feels different. It's still a transition. अब जैसे day time पे coffee पीना और lunch करना is like a new feeling. Guys, we are at Southgate Mall. अब बस Sephora enter करने अंदर जाके Sephora जाने वाली हूँ मैं, straight to Sephora, nothing else. Because I don't think we have the time for anything else. So let's just go to Sephora and let's see कि मैं क्या लेती हूँ. Guys, Sephora नजर आ गया and I was just happy to see Sephora. And enter होते साथ ही there was Rare Beauty. So I really wanted to try some of their products out because I heard such good reviews, but I haven't. The funny thing is I have never gotten anything from Rare Beauty, so I think this just changed. Because I did put one thing in my basket, and guys, I have been looking for this particular palette because it's so travel friendly. It's like full face in one palette, like it has contour and even foundation, concealer, blush, everything. So I do plan on getting it, but like later on when like that. So Hamza was just following me around and I was just running and chasing things. But I couldn't find one of the blushes that I was looking for, so I just had to do with something else. I did get this one I was particularly looking for, but it was out of stock, so I still have my eye out for this. Other than that, I tried Tower 28 and Kosas concealer. I have heard such good reviews and honestly they really felt hydrating. So guys, this one I was also obsessed with for a while, so that went into my basket as well. कभी कभी फर्स्ट चीज़ें लेते हैं, so आप वही लेते हैं जो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है। I also thought it would be a good idea to try something from the Sephora collection. So these concealers I tried and I was looking for a new concealer. So this one felt so hydrating. I actually like 2. So I had to choose between 2. And then we just moved to checkout. Just getting out of the mall. The Sephora haul is done. I'll show you what I got. बहुत ठंडा है. I really have to wear my jacket. एक second. Really पता नहीं लगता. Hamza has to help me with the jacket. इतनी ठंडी है कि हवा के होते हुए you have to wear something. Otherwise, like it starts feeling colder. I have to give some credit to my husband. This guy let me shop peacefully for once. शायद हम इसी प्लान से आए थे. So just he was more patient with the whole shopping process because you know
obviously देख के लेनी होती है and obviously you get distracted too because million other things are there. बेशक आप सोच के गए आपने क्या लेना, there are so many distractions that it's very easy to start swatching other things and get distracted. So thank you for being patient.
so I cannot.
Guys,
Guys, are you seeing randomly parking lot में?
yeah.
Geese. Goose. Geese.
I don't think I can wait till I get home to show you what I got. I'm gonna show you my mini haul right now. Okay guys, first thing, I really wanted a highlighter. Really wanted a new highlighter because I've been obsessed with the Balm one for so long that I thought, it's about time I obsessed over something else. So I loved the swatch. इतना smooth था ये highlighter. I'm gonna show you.
And then I got this one size blush triple something cheek clapper 3D blush trio. Guys, it was so pretty. Like I haven't tried it on my face, so I don't know, but like it was so pretty.
So this I'll show you as well. I have been loving this Ultra Repair cream. I've been using it to prep my skin before makeup. And for me it has worked out. I have seen mixed reactions from people. कुछ लोगों को ये कर जाती है check reaction या कुछ ऐसा हो जाता है उन लोगों को. But for me, I feel like it's working great. So I got another one. I am still using the one I have. So I thought कि refill इस पे कर लिया जाए, दोबारा ले ली जाए.
So पहले कि वो खत्म हो, because dry skin रखना is not easy. Dry skin
को साथ साथ you have to keep on moisturizing वरना it gets so bad, especially in this kind of extreme weather. And guys, I decided to try some Sephora products because जब आप Sephora जाते you ignore all the Sephora line. You ignore the Sephora products, you start looking like at other brands. So I thought आज Sephora के try करते हैं कि Sephora के खुद के कैसे products हैं. And this concealer, I swatched it and I loved it. Like it felt so hydrating. I thought I should give this a shot. And I have not seen any reviews for these, so I'm not sure कैसे हैं. But I'm like मुझे swatch में तो बहुत अच्छे लगे हैं. So. And this gloss, this bright gloss, I swatched 3 and I couldn't decide, so I asked Hamza and Hamza picked this. I was like fine, I still like it, so I can get it. So guys, this was my mini Sephora haul. I did not go crazy. I told you I'm not gonna spend everything and I did not. I kept it very decent. So I think this trip was a success. Good job on my end because I was gonna go crazy. I stopped myself and also I had some superpower who stopped me from getting excessive things, so it went great. Super happy. Now we are here at IKEA. IKEA हैं अब हम quickly because हमजा ने कुछ लेना था.
और आयशा हमें योगर्ट आइसक्रीम खिलाएगी, है ना आयशा?
खिला दूंगी यार, छोटी मोटी ट्रीट तो दे ही सकती हूँ, ऐसी भी बात नहीं है.
Yes. Love that Aisha.
Happy guy. Guys, IKEA has the best frozen yogurt cones and that too very cheap, like $1 and a few cents only. To have his treat.
V for victory.
Looks so happy. I have the phone with me and Hamza found a friend here, so he's just talking to him. Now we're going out. Hamza ने अपनी frozen yogurt cone melt करा ली है बात करते करते.
भाई आयशा ने finally मुझे कोई treat दिया यार.
क्या रोज कर रहे यार? He complains too much.
वाइस ट्रीट देती है, पहले हस्बैंड से ट्रीट देते हैं. अब मैं अच्छी लगती हूँ अपना वॉलेट निकालते हुए, हस्बैंड के होते हुए.
Aisha paid $3 for my treat. Thank you, Aisha.
कोई बात नहीं, my pleasure. Pleasure is all mine. Frozen yogurt cone खा लिए. Now I cannot wait any longer to try something from the Sephora haul. So I'm gonna try the highlighter, Rare Beauty highlighter. I opened it up, guys. It's so pretty. I should put some on because luckily आज मैंने लगाया भी नहीं वो highlighter. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Let me swatch. Oh my god. Are you seeing how shimmery? Wow. Okay, let's put some on the face. It's blinding. So pretty. Guys, are we not obsessed yet? Oh my god, love it. Oh my god, I made the right call, guys. This was the first thing I put in my basket, and right away too. So happy I did that. Okay, what's next? I really want to put some gloss on. So this Sephora gloss that I got. I'm just gonna put this over my lipstick. So it's good. Guys, this is such a summer vibe. This gloss is very like, it's very pretty for summer. And you know what's funny? Hamza picked this gloss. And it looks nice, so I'm happy. It's a plumping gloss, so it's like, it's gonna give that effect too, tingly effect. It is giving that tingly effect, but it's bearable. Like thoda chub raha hai, but it's still bearable and more like minty tingly. I don't know how else to explain it, but we'll see. इससे plump होते हैं lips कि नहीं होते हैं. इस मजे की बात ये है कि इस फर्क है जो आज कैसे लेने आए थे वो तो मिला नहीं. So हम लोग मजे से अपनी ट्रीट लेके आ गए. अब हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Walmart से जाके वो लेने लगे हैं जो चाहिए हमजा को. And then मैंने जाके, you know, I have to dress up really nice and take some pictures because guys, Eid day 2. Just got home. He's hungry, he wants food, so I'll get to that. मैं ready हो गई हूँ. अब मैं हमजा को request करने लगी हूँ कि pictures ले दे यार. फिर I'm gonna show you the whole look like literally soon. Guys,
Attempt 1 failed.
Hamza ko kai, he's talking to someone. So he's asked me to wait, so I've asked my great little brother Wali to take my pictures, and he's doing me this favor कि वो मेरी pictures लेने लगा है. Because guys, remembered I showed you I did his shoot as well. So we are nice people. ये लोकेशन है बाहर की. आज हम बाहर जाके शूट करने वाले हैं. So let's go. Hopefully यार अच्छी आ जाए. See कितना प्यारा sun है. The whole look just, you know, goes way up because of the sun. Slightly decent pictures आ गई हैं, but I'm like not too happy. He did a decent job, but like I'm not too happy, so I'm just gonna like
Ask another volunteer. Or just use my tripod. I don't know. We'll see.
yeah, not bad.
Like यहाँ पे देखा makeup अच्छा लग रहा है. So I really want like a few good clicks in the sunlight.
Hamza is just coming, and hopefully I'll have some nicer pictures or even more nice pictures.
I feel like my hair like असर ज़्यादा अच्छे लग रहे हैं. Pictures में उतने वो नहीं लग रहे. I don't know what that's about.
Guys, I thought खुद भी थोड़ा shoot कर लिया जाए, so that's what I'm doing. And I realized that side part looks better with this hairdo, so I did a side part, and that looks way better, guys. I'm so glad I changed that. Shoot हो गया है. I think I got some nice pictures. We'll find out. If you want to see, check my Instagram. Guys, I hope you all are celebrating Eid days happily, joyfully, with all your energy. Don't forget to spread joy, love, and kindness around you. Have fun, guys, and I'll see you guys next time.